This was literally my idea. I don't know why you think you get to take the credit.
I was holding the camera, man.
So
I remember.
the whole thing was my idea. I'm the one who set up the shot and everything. You just took the picture.
I remember this day on the lake. We were on the lake, and
Oh, whatever. Just stop. You know you shouldn't get the credit.
Hi, how's it going?
Oh, hey, I'm good. These look really great, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, they look amazing. All right, I gotta head out though. See ya.
Thanks for coming.
All right, guys, we're closing up for the night. Have a good night, everybody.
Hello? Hey man, how's it going? Yeah? I like that photo a lot too. Hey, stay tuned for the next one. I'm switching it up a little bit. Yeah, thanks a lot, man. Hey, I'll talk to you later.
I'm so sorry. It's fine.
I had to where it keeps me logged in. This is strange. Okay, what's going on? All that hard work trying to make a difference. I can't believe someone would do this. Did I bump into him? All my hard work gone. How on God's green earth do you know where I live?
You really don't remember me, do you?
It was you, wasn't it?
Listen, I never wanted to be your enemy.
Hey.
I saw you were succeeding and I told myself I'd do anything to stop you, but when I did, it didn't feel good. Not one bit. I love you, man. And I wish we never fought. And I wish we would have talked sooner after all these years.
You know, I still have it.
You do? You kept it. You really are a brother.
From another mother. They're all here. That's awesome. You could have deleted them.
I could never.
Hey, since you already have access to my Instagram, what do you say we work together?
Are you saying
I'm saying let's become business partners.
you have yourself a deal? How about I start right now? How do these look?
We've got some work to do.